Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix Marvel Rivals failed to connect to the server error step by step so you can get back into the game without any hassle. First, check your internet connection and make sure it's stable, because weak or unstable networks are the most common reason for this error. Try restarting your router or switching to a wired connection for better stability. Next, check if the game servers are down or under maintenance, because if servers are offline, you won't be able to connect no matter what you do. After that, disable any VPN you're using, as it can interfere with server connections. Also, allow the game through your firewall and antivirus settings so it's not being blocked. You can also try flushing your DNS cache using Command Prompt to refresh your network settings. Finally, restart your PC and launch the game again, and this should fix the issue in most cases. Subscribe the channel for more videos.